How to use Facebook Messenger. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can use Facebook Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to use Facebook Messenger, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Facebook Messenger app. Now Messenger comes from Facebook, so first of all just make sure that you basically have your Messenger account already logged in, right, in this case, right? So what you have to do from here is, if you happen to have your Facebook right on the home page, you'll see the chats that you have with other people here. Then similarly you will also be able to see all the notes and the active status of other people here. If you come to the people, you'll see all the people that are currently active. If you come to stories, you'll see the activists and the stories of the people that you follow. If you tap on the three lines option from the top left here, you can see marketplace and message requests, where all the spam messages will actually get located from here. Then here you can see all the spam messages. Similarly, if you tap the gear icon, you will be able to see all the dark mode, active status and other privacy and account settings about your Meta or Facebook account. So this is how you can use Facebook Messenger. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.